What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with a Fujimi 1/24 scale Toyota Corolla, the Levin 1600 GT Apex. I'm not sure how much different that name is between here and over there. You know, they call stuff different things than what we get. But I don't know, that kind of looks like the initial D car. I don't know. So cool. I've been wanting to do a Bosozuko, and I think this would probably be a perfect candidate for it. So let's crack into it, see what's inside. They're usually curbside kits, even though there's no motor, but that's okay. That's fine. Right away, the instructions, pretty standard for Fujimi style. Fold out, triple page, pretty clear indication of where things go, as well as decal and color chart callouts. And speaking of, are there any decals? Oh, yes, there we go. Pretty small decal sheet, but usually these Fujimi kits are pretty limited, but it's got a nice digital-ish dash, logos and whatnot. And then the body, the Corolla. It always seemed bigger with the 1/24 to me, but you know, that's a tiny little car. Good looking molds. Panel lines are a little shallow, but that's fine. That's fine. Got that Corolla style. So I'm gonna do a crazy Bosozuko type build with this. Whether or not I use the wheels that come with it, I don't know, but we'll go ahead and pop those open and take a look at it. You know, if maybe you're considering getting one of these. It's a good looking wheel. That'll paint up nice next to these kind of fat tires. Wow, it's got a nice fat meaty profile to it. So get one on there. Good looking tire. Good looking tire wheel. That will definitely look good. I mean, I may not have to even break into my 3D print stuff, which I'm still gonna check and test. So kind of the idea is to do a crazy Bosozuko. You know, the crazier the better. So the interior panel got some nice textured on the door cards, as well as the seats. Right-hand drive only. There is no left-hand drive console. And then there's more interior components. The skid plate, transmission, bottom, exhaust. There's usually a little bit of detail on the bottoms of these things. That's kind of where a lot of it is, actually. Whoa. And then there's the underside, which, yeah, again, that wouldn't be hard to chop that open and put a 3D printed motor in there. I just might do that. I mean, that fits pretty well, right? That fit pretty good. So, almost like it was made to go there. Or it was the right scale anyways. Oh, nice. It's got a little roll bar. So that kind of goes pretty well with the build, the direction I want to do with this. Race car-ish. Then a single piece windshield rear glass, as well as the brake and headlights are in clear, so you can paint those up and look really good. And that about does it for the Fujimi Levin. Pull the lever. Frankenstein. That about does it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.